Here we are inside the kitchen of this Cedar Creek 41FWC. Very well thought out kitchen, tons of storage everywhere, from your metal sink to your matching black stainless steel faucet. Very gorgeous, solid surface countertops, very deep drawers and storage everywhere. Double trash can right there. Pull out storage here, adjustable shelves. Not one, but two of them. Very useful space. Nice storage beside the microwave, of course. In this drawer, you do have silverware storage with more underneath it. And then real quick, I want to point this out. In their cabinetry and drawers, they're doing Dovetail. So it's going to hold together very well. It looks good. This is very, very high-end stuff that you see in like custom-made homes, that kind of stuff. It's better than the cabinets you get from Lowe's. Black appliances, 3-burner cooktop. On this side over here, you've got more storage, somewhere to put your knives. I don't really know what that's for. Ziploc bags, I don't know. And of course you do have your 12-volt, probably 17 cubic foot refrigerator if I had to guess. Over on this side, neat little coffee bar. Love the accent that they're doing back here. Really gives me Southern living vibes. And over here, you've got this nice little coat closet area. Put together really well. Hang your jacket, hang your umbrella. Sit down, kick your shoes off. A nice little breakfast bar area over here. Love these chairs. Big window with the built-in blinds. And then this will fold down, so if you're entertaining and just need more of a walkway, fold this down, move your chairs out of the way, we're good to go. So here we are in the living room. Big sectional sofa with the chase. Tons of storage for blankets, board games, whatever you want to put under there. You do have USB plugs in your couch, USB plugs beside your couch, so if you need to charge your iPad, your phone, whatever, you're good to go. Got a nice smart TV right above your fireplace. And just check out how gorgeous this wall is. Just a lot of stuff working for it. I love the backlight. You can turn that off, of course. And then you notice the ceiling's a little low. We do have a nice large loft with nice large beds up there. Stairs going up to it. Metal handrails, no flimsy junk. And even more storage back here in this back wall. Good place to put your books if you're a reader. And then they do give you lots of drawers back here. Still carrying that dovetail construction back to this wall as well. Very well thought of. So this is a massive fifth wheel destination trailer. To keep it cool, you do have 3 air conditioners. They're all thermostat controlled, so you can pick each degree for each zone. Very nice thing that Cedar Creek's doing. Shouldn't expect anything less from a company like that. But let's see what's behind door number 1 right here. You do have your gorgeous bathroom, porcelain sink, gorgeous long countertop, solid surface. Not a lot of brands are going to carry that solid surface into the bathroom. Super nice mirror. And once again, they've carried that accent wallpaper from over there behind the coffee bar into your bathroom. Still getting the real wood shelves, thermostat for your on-demand water heater. Good storage underneath. And then of course you have your lovely fiberglass shower. And this is true Marcus. I have no shoes on, so I'm about 6'1", 6'2". I have plenty of headroom in the shower. And this is a cool fake skylight. It made it look like one. They've got the LEDs up there. Awesome shower head, 1-piece fiberglass shower, no leaks. Somewhere to hang your towels. Little brass hooks. Just attention to detail everywhere in this model. Something else here in the bathroom is going to be your washer and dryer. And then you can also fold your laundry as well. Once again, just attention to detail, very well done. Love what they're doing with this. Looks gorgeous, works good. Not mad at it at all. Let's go check out the bedroom. So before we get to the bedroom, you do have another loft here. Plug-ins, USB ports, and of course you can turn the lights on and off. And you do have an exhaust fan there, so if whoever's sleeping here does want to pull some air, you're covered. But let's check out door number 2. So we are in the bedroom. Pretty standard layout, but it's just tons of space. I love these integrated shades. They look good. They help insulate the camper. You do have a little reading nook, somewhere to sit down and, put your shoes on if you don't have shoes on. Put your socks on. Tons of storage here in the Chester drawers. Once again, you've got the dovetail finish there. Space heater, smart TV, king bed. More storage over here. So over here you will have your hanging storage. Tons of room to hang your clothes, room to put your shoes, vacuum cleaner, even more storage up here. Motion activated lights. Has those same brass hangers that are in the bathroom in here as well. Very well thought of, you know. I keep saying that, but it's the honest truth. They really didn't skip a beat on this one. So come on down, check out this 41 fifth wheel cottage by Cedar Creek. Get you one with a lifetime warranty. Come see me or anybody here at Johnston. We'd love to help you out.